You are welcome to my channel digitizings.com. Today we learn and see about Janome 350E Embroidery Machine overview. The Janome 350E is a dedicated embroidery machine known for its ease of use, versatility, and professional quality results. Ideal for home embroidery enthusiasts and small business users, it offers a range of features designed to make intricate embroidery projects both simple and precise. With its intuitive touchscreen and multiple design options, the 350E is perfect for adding detailed, beautiful designs to various projects. Key features of the Janome 350E embroidery machine. Automatic needle threader. The built-in automatic needle threader simplifies the threading process, making setup quick and easy. This feature saves time and ensures that you're ready to start stitching in moments. Large embroidery area. The 5.5 inches x 7.9 inches embroidery area, the Janome 350E provides ample space for a wide range of designs, allowing users to work on larger projects without having to rehoop frequently. Multiple hoop sizes. The machine includes different hoop sizes, so users can choose the right size for their project. This flexibility is perfect for creating everything from small monograms to full-size designs. LCD touchscreen. The backlit LCD touchscreen displays design options, settings, and adjustments. With its user-friendly interface, this screen makes it easy to select designs and personalize settings. Built-in design library. Janome 350E comes preloaded with 100 embroidery designs and 3 fonts. This selection provides a solid starting point for new users while also enabling experienced embroiderers to create customized projects. USB compatibility. With its USB port, the Janome 350E allows users to import custom designs directly from a computer or USB drive, adding limitless possibilities for creativity and personalization. Editing capabilities. This machine offers basic editing functions like resizing, rotating, and flipping designs. These options enable users to make adjustments without additional software, simplifying the customization process. Automatic thread cutter. Automatic thread cutter saves time by trimming both the top and bobbin threads with the push of a button, providing a cleaner finish on embroidery projects. Pricing. The Janome 350E is priced in the mid to high range for home embroidery machines, typically around $1,200 to $1,500. While not the cheapest option, its features and ease of use provide excellent value for hobbyists and small business users seeking a reliable, high-quality embroidery machine. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video by digitizing.com. Your support means a lot to me.